Hey guys, I got a box from A&S gear. It's pretty damn big, because I ordered a bunch of stuff. So, blacked out my address because I don't want you to see that. As you can see, ANSgear.com. So open this puppy up. It kind of annoys me. This was at customs for a whole week because I live in Canada. Okay, so there's all the stuff. They got it signed, inspected, packed by that guy, so I can kick his ass. So, paper. I got. Okay, whatever. They're supposed to be A&S gear pods, but they're Genix Global. Work just fine. Tab's kind of small, but that'll do. So I got 5 pods. The shipping was no more. Just 5 pods. These are the Warrior Flex squeegees. They're 99 cents, and I usually get a couple of them on each order. The only thing that's kind of bad about them is, first of all, they only bend one way, and they're white, so they stain easily. They're actually pretty high quality, and I really like them. So just like that there. So I got 3 squeegees because these are pretty much good once I feel. So here is a invert mini to download. Cut myself. Oh damn, it's a cardboard sleeve. Whatever. That was stupid of me. Sorry for doing this off camera. This is really hard to do with Okay, open it up. The board's in here. And Tadao Technologies, so I'll install that today, see how it goes. One of the main things I wanted, Valken Redemption 3 plus 6. I could have gone the 4 plus 6, but whatever. So let's see here, how's the pot ejection? 3 plus 6, Valken Redemption harness. Seatbelt, webbing, pod flaps, extra long tab. Main thing I was looking for in this is pod ejection and a nice tight fit. So yeah, let's put that down. And the box is empty. Main thing I wanted again. Planet Eclipse ice jersey, so it matches the pod pack really well. It's not the same color as my pants, but oh well. It looks like it has, it's not very thick padding, but it has a lot. The whole entire chest is padded inside. 2010 Distortion jersey. I figured I'd go Planet Eclipse because I heard dye fits kind of slim, so. And there's the microfiber cloth, which is really nice. So yeah, I'm gonna put all this on and yeah, whatever. So I'll be back in a sec. Thanks.